How to fix Bereal notification not working. If your Bereal notifications aren't showing up, it's often due to time zone mismatch or restrictive phone settings. So first thing, Bereal sends notification based on your chosen reason. If you recently moved to or traveled, your settings might be wrong. So just open up your Bereal app onto your device, tap the profile from the very bottom, then go to ahead and select the three dots or the gear icon. Over here, you want to go ahead and locate time zone. Make sure to go ahead and select the time zone accordingly. And this way, you could go ahead and select the save changes and then go ahead and make sure to confirm it. So, next, you also need to enable system notification. For that, exit out, open up settings on your device, go to apps from the list, locate Be Real, locate notification, and toggle on the button for this. This way, you'll be able to successfully fix your notifications for Be Real. And if you're having issue, you might want to consider reinstalling your Bereal or updating the app at the same time restarting your device. That should definitely help you out. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.